Have you noticed lately that intimacy just doesn't feel the same? Maybe firmness isn't as reliable, sensation feels weaker, or things simply don't last as long as they once did. If you've felt that quiet frustration, you are far from alone. In fact, studies from the National Institutes of Health show that more than half of men over 50 experience some degree of erectile difficulty. But here's the good news: it does not have to be permanent, and it is not something you must simply accept as part of aging. There are natural, safe, and science backed steps you can take to restore confidence, energy, and performance. And in this video, we're going to explore exactly how. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Prime Men's Health and share this with a friend who may be going through the same struggle. Every week, we bring you trusted, evidence based strategies designed for men like you. I'm Dr. Danielle Jones. For more than 30 years, I've worked with men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, helping them navigate the natural changes of aging without losing their vitality. Over those decades, one of the most common concerns I hear is erectile dysfunction. It's not just about intimacy, it's about self-confidence, energy, and overall health. Too many men think this decline is inevitable, when in reality, your body is giving you a signal that it needs support. The key is understanding what's really happening beneath the surface. At its core, an erection is not just about desire, it's about blood flow. Your arteries must open wide, your blood vessels must relax, and your nerves must send precise signals all at the same time. When even one part of this system falters, firmness begins to fade. After 50, it's common for arteries to stiffen, testosterone to dip and stress, or poor sleep to add extra strain. This combination often leaves men feeling frustrated, anxious, or even disconnected in their relationships. But here's the encouraging part: modern research shows that certain natural compounds can actively reverse these changes by supporting healthy circulation, calming inflammation, and freeing up testosterone so it can do its job. That's what today's discussion is all about. I'll be walking you through some of the most effective natural options, including a simple daily ritual that has been shown to improve blood flow, restore balance, and bring back the vitality many men thought was gone for good. Think of this as more than just a tip for the bedroom. It's a roadmap for reclaiming your health and confidence. In the next part, we'll dig into the science of why erectile difficulties appear after 50 and how the body responds when you give it the right kind of support. To truly understand why erectile dysfunction becomes more common after 50, let's look at what's happening inside your body. Erections are a finely tuned event that depend on three systems working together: your blood vessels, your hormones, and your nervous system. When all three are balanced, blood flows quickly into the erectile tissue, stays there under pressure, and creates reliable firmness. But with age, subtle changes begin to accumulate. Arteries lose some of their flexibility. The lining of blood vessels, called the endothelium, doesn't respond as efficiently, and nerve signals can slow. This combination makes it harder for blood to surge in and stay trapped, leading to shorter, weaker, or less predictable erections. Research from the American Urological Association shows that after 40, testosterone declines by about 1% each year. Testosterone isn't only about desire, it also helps maintain muscle energy mood and the vascular response that drives erections. On top of that, modern lifestyle stressors, like poor sleep, high sugar intake, and constant work pressure raise cortisol, a hormone that actively interferes with sexual arousal. Elevated cortisol not only lowers testosterone, but also constricts blood vessels, making arousal feel more sluggish and less satisfying. This is why many men in their 50s describe a frustrating cycle: lower energy, weaker performance, and rising anxiety that only makes the problem worse. The encouraging news is that your body isn't broken, it's simply out of balance. Science now shows that certain natural compounds can help restore that balance by boosting nitric oxide, the molecule your body produces during arousal, to relax arteries and improve circulation. For example, studies from Harvard Medical School highlight how plant-based antioxidants protect the endothelium, improve flexibility of arteries, and reduce oxidative stress, all of which are crucial for erectile health. When these compounds are consumed daily in something as simple as tea, they act almost like a gentle reset button, cleaning your blood vessels, lowering inflammation, and allowing more testosterone to remain active in your body. It's important to remember that erections are a reflection of overall cardiovascular health. The same circulation issues that affect your heart and brain also affect performance in the bedroom. That's why doctors often call erectile dysfunction the check engine light of men's health. It's an early warning sign that your circulation needs attention. By supporting vascular health with the right diet, daily movement, and natural remedies, you don't just improve intimacy, you're also protecting your heart, your brain, and your long-term vitality. In the next section, we'll look at the most common mistakes men make when trying to fix this problem and why some approaches actually make things worse. One of the biggest misconceptions men over 50 have about erectile dysfunction is that it's simply an unavoidable part of aging. I hear this all the time, Doc. It just happens when you get older. Right. The truth is, while age increases risk, erectile dysfunction is not inevitable. Many men assume they have no control, so they don't take action until symptoms become severe. But research from the Mayo Clinic shows that lifestyle changes and natural interventions can dramatically improve erectile health even in men well into their 70s. Believing the myth that nothing can be done is one of the most harmful mistakes you can make. Another common misstep is turning too quickly to unproven supplements or gimmicky quick fixes. The market is flooded with pills, powders, and so-called performance boosters that promise instant results. Unfortunately, most are not backed by clinical evidence, and some may even contain harmful or undisclosed ingredients. According to the FDA, dietary supplements are one of the most frequently recalled products due to hidden prescription drugs or unsafe stimulants. Relying on these shortcuts can not only waste your money, but also put your health at risk. Men also often underestimate the role of stress, sleep, and overall health in sexual function. Many focus only on testosterone, thinking that boosting hormone levels alone will solve everything. But erectile strength depends on much more than hormones. High blood pressure, poorly managed diabetes, smoking, and even chronic anxiety can silently damage circulation and nerve function. Ignoring these root causes while chasing a magic bullet leaves many men disappointed. It's like patching a leaking roof. Without fixing the hole, the problem always comes back. And finally, some men make the mistake of overusing alcohol or certain medications, believing they'll relax and improve intimacy. In reality, alcohol is a depressant that restricts circulation, and certain blood pressure or antidepressant medications can worsen erectile difficulties if not carefully managed with a physician. The mistake isn't taking medication you need, it's assuming nothing can be adjusted. A frank discussion with your doctor can often lead to alternatives that protect both your overall health and your performance. The good news: once you understand these misconceptions, you can avoid them and take a more effective science-based approach. In the next section, I'll show you simple, practical steps you can use starting today to support circulation, free up testosterone, and restore confidence naturally. Now that we've cleared away the myths, let's focus on what you can actually do, practical steps. You can begin today to restore better blood flow, balance hormones, and improve performance naturally. Think of this as building a daily routine that nourishes your body from the inside out. Step 1. Start your day with green tea. Research from the Cleveland Clinic shows that the catechins in green tea improve artery flexibility and boost nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and enhances circulation. Brew it correctly. Water just below boiling steep for 2 to 3 minutes to preserve those delicate compounds. A squeeze of lemon not only brightens the flavor, but also increases antioxidant absorption. Aim for 2 cups, spread between morning and early afternoon for best results. Step 2. Add ginseng tea in the evening. Ginseng is what researchers call an adaptogen. It helps your body handle stress while also stimulating nitric oxide production. Clinical studies confirm its ability to improve both erectile function and energy levels. Steep 1–2 grams of dried root or a quality tea bag for 5 minutes. Drink it in the evening when your body is winding down, allowing circulation and relaxation to work together. Step 3. Include hibiscus tea at night. This caffeine-free option is rich in anthocyanins compounds that protect blood vessels and naturally lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the most overlooked causes of erectile dysfunction. By sipping hibiscus tea after dinner, you not only support your arteries, but also encourage deep restorative sleep. And sleep, as studies from Harvard Medical School highlight, is where testosterone is replenished. Step 4. Pair teas with supportive foods. The effects multiply when combined with a clean, nutrient-rich diet. Foods like salmon spinach, walnuts, beets, and pomegranate all improve circulation and hormonal balance. These choices nourish the same pathways the teas support, creating a synergy that amplifies results. Step 5. Build a lifestyle foundation. Even the best natural remedies can't overcome chronic stress, lack of sleep, or sedentary habits. Protect your gains by getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, walking at least 30 minutes a day, and practicing stress management, whether through meditation, breathing exercises, or simply time outdoors. Every step you take to improve circulation, calm stress, and restore balance will show up in your confidence and vitality. When followed consistently, this simple 3-tea routine, green tea in the morning, ginseng in the evening, hibiscus at night, creates a powerful rhythm for your body. It supports your blood vessels, hormones, nerves, and sleep all at once. And the beauty is that it's affordable, safe, and accessible. In the next section, I'll summarize these steps and leave you with a positive takeaway to encourage you on this journey. We've covered a lot together, starting with why erectile difficulties often appear after 50, the science behind circulation and hormones, the common mistakes men make, and finally the practical steps you can take every single day. What I hope you see now is this erectile dysfunction is not an unavoidable part of aging. It is a reflection of your overall health, and with the right support, your body has remarkable potential to heal and restore. By choosing simple daily habits, green tea to clean and energize your arteries, ginseng to build stamina and calm stress, and hibiscus to lower blood pressure and improve sleep, you're doing more than supporting intimacy. You're protecting your heart, your brain, and your long-term vitality. These teas are not quick fixes, but steady allies. Over time, they create real, lasting change that extends beyond the bedroom into every part of your life. I want you to remember, your health story is not written in stone. I've seen countless men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond regain confidence, restore closeness in their relationships, and feel stronger than they have in years. You deserve that too. Every small change, every cup of tea, every walk, every night of good sleep moves you closer to the life you want. So here's my gentle challenge to you. Start with one habit today. Brew that first cup, make one nourishing food choice, or set aside time for rest. You'll be surprised how quickly momentum builds. And as always, you don't have to walk this journey alone. At Prime Men's Health, we're here every week to guide you with science encouragement and practical steps. If this video resonated with you, Consider subscribing, liking, or sharing it with a friend who may need hope. Sometimes the most powerful gift you can give another man is the reminder that change is possible. This is your health, your confidence, and your future, and it's never too late to take it back.